CBSE Mathematics, Class 9, surface area of a right circular cylinder. A diagram of a cylinder is given. Right circular cylinder have curved and lateral surfaces with congruent circular ends. Such solids are right circular cylinders. Each plane end is called the base of the cylinders. Axis. The line segment joining the centers of two bases is called the axis of the cylinder. Radius. The radius of the circular bases is called the radius of the cylinder. Height. Length of the axis of the cylinder is called the height of the cylinder. Lateral surface. The curved surface joining the two bases of a right circular cylinder is called its lateral surface. Lateral surface area equal 2 pi RH square units. Each base area equal to pi r square. Total surface area equal curved surface area plus each base surface area, that is 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square, that is 2 pi r into bracket h plus r. 2 pi r into opening bracket h plus r and closing bracket. 2 pi r into h plus r square units. Hollow cylinder. A solid bounded by two coaxial cylinders of the same height and different radii is called a hollow cylinder. Let R, capital R and small r be the external and internal radii of a hollow cylinder and let h be its height. Curved surface area of a hollow cylinder. Each base surface area equal pi capital R square minus pi small r square, that is pi into within brackets r square minus r square, that is pi into capital R square minus small r square, close the bracket, square units. Curved surface area equal to external surface area plus internal surface area, that is 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi small rh, that is 2 pi h into within the bracket opening bracket capital R plus small r, then closing bracket. Total surface area. External surface area plus internal surface area plus each base surface area. 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi into within bracket capital R square minus small r square, close the bracket, that is 2 pi small h into capital R plus small r plus 2 pi into within the bracket capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. 2 pi into capital R plus small r, close the bracket, and within the bracket opening brace h plus capital R minus r, close the bracket, square units. First question. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Let r be the radius and h be the height of the cylinder. 2 pi r h equal to 88 and h equal to 14 cm. 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 14 equal to 88. R equal to 88 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 14, that is 88 r equal to 88 and r equal to 88 by 88 equal to 1. Diameter of the base equal 2 into r, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 cm. Thank you.